Welcome to the channel. If you're a content creator, photographer, or someone looking to elevate their visual game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Canon mirrorless cameras, known for their cutting-edge autofocus, compact builds, and stunning image quality. Whether you're just starting out or shooting professionally, there's a Canon mirrorless camera here for you. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest prices and full product details. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Canon EOS R5 Mark Mirrorless Camera. Captures stunning images and video with the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, featuring a brand new full-frame 45MP back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. This powerful sensor delivers incredible detail and clarity, while ultra-fast readout speeds enable up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, perfect for capturing fast action. The advanced autofocus system introduces innovative eye control focus, allowing you to intuitively select your focus point with just a glance. It also maintains sharp focus on subjects even when briefly obscured, ensuring you never miss a moment. Record professional quality video and stills simultaneously without interruption, thanks to its seamless dual capture capability. The action priority mode intelligently analyzes scenes to predict and lock focus on the main subject in dynamic situations. Built for serious photographers and videographers, the EOS R5 Mark II combines cutting-edge technology with robust performance to deliver exceptional creative control. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Mark Mirrorless Camera. Unleash your creativity with the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, featuring a 24.2MP full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers crisp, detailed images even in low light. Powered by the Digi-X processor, it ensures stunning image quality, advanced stabilization, and smooth video performance. Capture every moment with high-speed continuous shooting up to 40 frames per second at 20MP, ideal for sports, wildlife, and fast action. Its enhanced subject acquisition tracks people, animals, vehicles, and more with incredible accuracy. Advanced head, face, and eye detection autofocus keeps your subjects perfectly sharp. Shoot up to 6 hours of continuous Full HD video or stunning 6K oversampled 4K footage without overheating. Number 3. Canon EOS R7 Mirrorless Camera. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Canon EOS R7, featuring a 32.5MP aps-c CMOS sensor and the powerful Digi-X image processor for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. The included RFS 18 to 150mm lens offers versatile zoom capabilities, perfect for everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed wildlife shots. Compatible with EFS, EF, RF, and new RFS lenses, this camera adapts to your creative needs. Shoot fast-moving action effortlessly with up to 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter. The advanced 5-axis image stabilization provides up to 7 stops of shake correction, keeping your shots crisp in any situation. Powered by the reliable Canon LPE6NH battery, it also supports USB charging, so you can stay ready for longer shoots. Whether you're capturing sports, nature, or everyday moments, the EOS R7 delivers professional quality with ease and flexibility. Number 2. Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Camera. Capture sharp, vibrant images with the Canon EOS R10, powered by a 24.2MP aps-c CMOS sensor and the advanced Digi-X processor for ultra-high-definition photos and videos. Designed for versatility, it works seamlessly with Canon RFS, RF, and even EF/EFS lenses using an adapter. Shoot fast action effortlessly with mechanical shutter speeds up to 15 frames per second, ensuring you never miss a moment. The smart autofocus system detects and tracks subjects with precision for crystal clear focus. Stay powered throughout your shoot with the Canon LPE17 battery, which can be conveniently charged inside the camera via USB. The bright, anti-smudge LCD screen gives you a clear view of your shots for easy framing and reviewing. Perfect for creators who want speed, accuracy, and quality in a compact, lightweight body. Number 1. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. Step into the world of mirrorless photography with the Canon EOS R100, featuring a 24.1 MP aps-c CMOS sensor that delivers stunning image clarity and natural bokeh. This compact and lightweight camera is the smallest and most affordable in the EOS R series, designed for photographers on the go. Powered by the Digic 8 image processor, it supports sharp 4K video recording at 24 frames per second, plus high-speed Full HD and HD video options for versatile shooting. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.